Snippets in Raycast are a library of chunks of text that you can store, organize, and use anywhere across your computer. They can range from a single character to several paragraphs. You can also have shared libraries of snippets with your team. In any text input, you can search one of your snippets by opening Raycast with your hotkey and launching the Search Snippets command. You can then search for your snippet and press Enter to insert it immediately. For snippets you use all the time, Raycast can insert them directly by replacing a keyword you type. Here's how you can create a snippet. From the Raycast root search, there's a command called Create Snippet. Your chunk of text goes here on the left, and then you can add a title and an optional icon and keyword. If you're part of an organization, this drop-down allows you to select whether the snippet will live in your personal library or shared with everyone else in your team. And lastly, you can add as many tags as you want to your snippets. This allows you to filter through your collection later in the Search Snippets command. The content of a snippet can be as simple as a symbol or a commonly misspelled word, or a full-blown text with dynamically replaceable placeholders. Within curly brackets, you can add an argument to be filled in the moment of expansion, the contents of your clipboard, or define the position of the cursor for after the snippet is placed. A link to a full guide of everything you can do with dynamic placeholders can be found in the description below. Pro tip: in Raycast settings, you can tweak your snippets experience even further by customizing how and when they expand. And by setting a hotkey to the Search Snippets command, you will always have quick access to your whole library, even without a keyword.